review article journal with the title Insight into EPL Student Reading Obstacle, a qualitative case study. Author by Muhammad Hollandia, Leni Marzulina, Dian Erlina, Herizal, Hikmah Zalipa Putri, Hanif Alparizi. Purpose of the study to investigate and describe the typical experience by EPL English as a foreign language. 10th grade at Man 1 Mara Enim in reading comprehension and to identify key them that can inform effective strategy and intervention. Design of the study used a qualitative case study design. The results select participants purposefully. Conduct semi-structured telephone interview. Record and took notes, then analysis the data through thematic analysis, which included compiling, reading, coding, describing, and interpreting the data. Trustworthiness was ensured through member checks. Location and participant of the study. The research was conducted at Madrasah Alia Negeri 1 Muara Enim in South Sumatra, Indonesia. The participants were 9th 10th grade students select used a purposeful sampling technique. The selection included 3 students with high reading comprehension score, 3 with moderate score, and 3 with low score to represent various reading ability among students. Data collection. Data were collected using semi-structured interview conducted by telephone. Each interview was recorded and accompanied by written notes after the preliminary analysis. The research carry out memory checking where participants review and confirming depending to ensure accuracy and validity. Data analysis, thematic analysis was applied in the fact stick, compiling and preparing the data, reading the entire data, detailed coding, describing them, and interesting the finding. Terms were drawn from a scoring idea in the participant response, such as lack of the vocabulary, low grammar mastery, and unfamiliarity with the topic. Member checking was also used to verify interpretation. Major finding 1. Lack of vocabulary, where students often encounter unfamiliar words and rely on dictionary, first or Google Translate. 2. Low grammar mastery, which cause confusion in understanding tense, pronouns, and sentence structure. 3. Limited background knowledge, especially when reading unfamiliar or foreign topic. 4. Ineffective use of reading strategy, including difficult identify main idea and making inference. 5. Uninteresting or lengthy reading material, which, which reduce motivation and focus. This finding highlight that vocabulary, grammar, and reading strategy training are crucial for improving student comprehension. Connection with relevant study. EPL student reading comprehension problem, linguistic and non-linguistic complexity was written by Usman Kasim and Siti Rasha in 2023. The study investigated EPL students at the Shia Kuala Lumpur University to identify linguistic and non-linguistic problem in reading comprehension. The results show that most students struggle with linguistic factors, such as limited vocabulary, poor grammar understanding, and difficult recognizing word meaning. While non-linguistic problems included lack of background knowledge, low motivation, and weak reading strategy. Background knowledge. The study related to insight into EPL student reading obstacle, a qualitative case study by Hollandia et al. 2024. Because but found that vocabulary limitation and low grammar mastery are the main cause of the student reading and difficult and suggest that improving vocabulary, grammar and reading strategy can help enhance EPL learning comprehension.